Hey everybody, welcome to a very special Vegas tips and tricks. Yes, today, through the magic of video editing and Android apps, I'm going to make my downtown hotel decision live, well, almost live, right here on the channel. To few, a little bit of context, always like to stay downtown a night or two. The way this trip worked out, needing to be there by Tuesday evening and having my Tuesday pretty well filled up, it meant I was going to have to spend my night or two downtown sometime between Wednesday and Saturday night. Now, Friday and Saturday night of the week that I'm there is the Life is Beautiful festival downtown, which I don't really need to be a part of, and it raises the hotel rates astronomically. I mean, hundreds of dollars for a base room at, say, the Four Queens. Yeah, not going to happen. Even Thursday night, the prices were a little bit elevated. Wednesday seemed like kind of the sweet spot, not the most exciting night to be downtown, but I would still be able to do some of the things that I wanted to do and have a nice crash pad and hopefully check out a hotel or at least a room type that I haven't checked out for you before. So through the process of elimination, we got rid of the Apache Hotel, way too expensive for what they're providing. All three Boyd properties, which I've stayed at before, I've stayed at all the room types before, they were a little pricey anyway. And the Golden Gate, where I've stayed in the suite, which is frankly the only place I would have stayed for the night. So that left Plaza, Golden Nugget, Four Queens, the D, Downtown Grand, and El Cortez. Three of which I've never stayed at before, and three of which have either newly remodeled rooms I haven't checked out or room categories that I haven't checked out. So we're going to decide right here which one I'm going to stay at. And I've spun the wheel a few times just to make it work, but this is the official one. So you'll find out where I'm staying when I find out where I'm staying. All right, let's go ahead and start the little video capture thing. It's going to come up 3, 2, 1, and now you'll see something but my face, which is always good.
Okay, so we've got the magical roulette wheel, which for some reason has pizza in the middle of it, but I'm okay with that. And we are going to spin the wheel to decide where I'm going to stay 2 weeks from tonight. You can see the options on the wheel. Let's go ahead and spin and see who will win. Oh, it looks like it's going to be the Plaza. Looks like I'm going to be checking out one of the remodeled rooms at the Plaza. So there you go. That's going to be our...
So I'm going to be staying at the Plaza 2 weeks tonight. I have to go online and make my reservations after I get finished talking to you. So, few notes on the rest of the places I'm going to be staying, and it's going to sound absolutely psycho, but the first 3 nights I'm actually going to be at the Flamingo. Thought about Caesars or Cromwell, spending a little money, getting some tier credits for that, but ended up deciding if I was going to be busy all night Tuesday, downtown all night Wednesday, I couldn't justify the price. So I'm staying at one of the Flamingo rooms at the Flamingo. The first 3 nights. The last 2 nights I'll be at the Gold Coast. Well, not quite. I'll be at the Gold Coast Friday, Saturday, but I earned enough of those magic gems on the Wynn app to go ahead and book Friday night at Wynn. So I'll be staying there. So I'll be sleeping at, in order, Flamingo, Plaza, Flamingo, Wynn, and Gold Coast. I didn't want to spend a lot of money Saturday night because I'm leaving very early Sunday morning. So that's what's coming up, just a couple of weeks off, so I'm excited about that. Excited about the Vegas Summit 2, which sounds like we're going to have a tremendous number of people there. If you're one of them, I look forward to meeting you there. And of course, be sure to join us on Saturday for another episode of Vegas Tips and Tricks. As always, thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great and lucky couple of days. We'll see you soon.